Some kind of circle there. Honestly, I know this sounds mad for someone who can't realise what I'm looking at here. But that's like you could touch it. It's so close. It is quite incredible. Once you see it once, you'd understand what I mean. You will not believe how close that is. Like them clouds are like probably just above them trees or something like that. Do you know what I mean? That's how close they are. But they're not clouds. They're magnetic signatures in the atmosphere from the planet that's inside that. Do you know what I mean? That's what it is. You see? Once you get your mind in perspective, that cloud looks like it's just on top of that tree there. Whoa, a bit nippy out there. Yeah, and also I was speaking to a lovely lady yesterday, lovely old lady. She was 85 doing a garden, another one. That's the third one I've met around here. Third one. They're all doing the garden. They're all over 80. Anyway, I told her about everything, the black house, everything was cut, and she went, oh yeah. And she believes in God and everything else. And I'm trying to convince her, and I said, look, and I looked up at her tree and it had cherry blossoms on it. Cherry blossom. And I was like, I just pointed to that. I looked at him, but I just pointed up to the cherry blossoms here and went, look at that. Whew. But yeah, what I've just shown you there, I mean, I've been sat looking at it all day. And it looks close enough. Like I say, you could actually touch it because we are in their atmosphere now. Honestly, I'm telling you now, I know it. And just beyond, because what you see is, you see stationary clouds, well they're not actually clouds, the magnetic signatures kind of thing, which look like clouds, because they're interacting with the water in the air, electric, you know what I mean, that kind of thing. But the closer we get into the atmosphere and come out the other side, that is when you're going to be able to see the actual, you know, the shape or the form of the planet. Do you know what I mean? And what we're going to do, I think we might be going terraforming. Terraforming, check that out. Basically, just go from planet to planet, just robbing it of its minerals and resources, just as a means to get you to more planets, or using the energy to do whatever you've got to do. I haven't got a clue what that is, because we've only had education for 100 years, and I only really went or paid attention to any of that crap for about a year or two, perhaps. So, I'm only human, but I've got eyes to see because I can look out the window. And all I can say is, it's like I can see through clouds and see through the other side of them. If I could, right, you see that cloud there? See that one there? Well, to my perspective, in between that, in that there is another cloud, the other side. You know what I mean? And there's so many, and then it just goes on and on and on and on. A bit like the fractal that I told you about coral or any fractal where it's just never ending, like a mantle box. Do you know what I mean? It just keeps on going. Well, that's what we're in now. If you was to be able to reach out, stand on that cloud where the hole is, and look in there, it's just been never ending. And each little hole will lead you somewhere totally different than the other cloud hole. It will be like a little labyrinth, do you know what I mean? But it's going to be quite fun though, isn't it? You know? It will be. Because I think you'll pop out in different time zones, maybe. I think that might be it. You know, because it's like a labyrinth in it of infinite infinite fractal in the multi-universe. So if you used to walk down any of them structures from the inside, just as a microcosm of it, you'd probably pop up in different time zones, perhaps. I don't know. For how long? I don't know. Whether that will happen or not, I don't know. But it's kind of like maybe something like that. Who knows? Anyway, I'm going to go. Peace out.